Hi everyone, welcome back to the shorts where I clean and declutter and show you guys my day-to-day as a mom to 5 kiddos. I hope you find these videos motivating and encouraging. This is what happens when I don't do my closing shift. There's a whole series of them on my channel where I show you guys how I close down the kitchen for the night. And if I don't close down the kitchen, I do not have that nice and tidy kitchen for the morning. Just makes things go a lot smoother, but busy seasons call for different schedules, and that's where I'm at right now. So we're doing some leftovers for lunch, and we're gonna get started on our laundry. This is why we declutter. 3 pairs of jeans, a pair of shorts, and a couple shirts and a dress that were given and that were thrifted and do not fit anymore. So always go through your clothes.
And my little dolls.
Yep, all of these are keep and all of these are goodbyes. Should we say goodbye, Ellie?
Yeah, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, Stuff. Have fun at your new home. Working on our next pile of laundry.
Yes.
I see something. You see something?
Yeah.
No, you're missing it.
What?
There's $1. You
That-
made $1.
There is money.
You found $1.
Yeah.
I guess you earned it for helping me.
Oh.
You can have it.
I told that.
All right, another basket done. So we've got these all folded as keeps, and then these are some more of the kids to get rid of. All right, so we did 3 baskets, and this is what we're left with, and this is all donation, a huge Aldi's bag. All going to donation. Cheers. We're sharing it. Is it yummy? Okay, so this is my idea with this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then the Sunday dress will be hung for Sundays. So we need to go through because a lot of these are slap full and she doesn't even know what she has. And a lot of it she doesn't like anyways, and it's a battle in the morning, so we're just gonna try and organize it up and help her. This is my 5-year-old daughter that I'm talking about who's in kindergarten. So we're gonna see what we can do to make it more functional. Found this romper thrifting and it is just the cutest little romper. It actually unbuttons here, but she's outgrown it, so we're gonna let someone else enjoy it. So these jeans are gonna be the don't quite fit but too good to get rid of. These were given by a cousin and they're super cute. Flared little jeans, so I don't want to get rid of them, so I'm gonna let her grow into them. They're size 6, she's in a 5 right now. Super short legs, so a lot of clothes just don't fit her exactly the way they should, but I got 4 pair right there. All right, so these are all the keeps. These are all of her dresses, and we have some play shorts. Actually this needs to come in this pile because that's quite, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna start putting together outfits and we're gonna go from there. All right, so these are gonna go in the rotation. So next week I will put new shirts with these. These are gonna go into grow into. All right, so this is my 9-year-old's clothes. She's 9, so we're gonna go through all of her clothes. All right, so all of this is gonna go into her rotation box and she can pick through this next week. More donations to go to the pile. All right, now we're gonna work on my 2-year-old stuff. All right, so one of my friends asked for tips on what to do with your kiddos while they're at home to still get some things done. And my advice to that would be to include them in it all. I had put a screensaver on my phone that said just that, like include your kids in everything that you do. Have them help with the laundry, have them help with cooking. Yes, it takes time, but we're teaching lifelong lessons and skills through these things that we're doing as moms, and it truly is worth it. I think reducing stress and clutter in your life can help those tasks be a lot more obtainable with just releasing all that energy that you would spend in other places, like trying to clean throughout the clutter. I guess what I'm just trying to say is the best way to keep your kids entertained is to ask them to help you and to give them little tasks that involve what you're doing and keeping them close by and letting them know that they're loved and they're not an inconvenience and that they are valued in this world. That's my best advice. Hope that helps. All right, so these are dresses and church clothes and then stuff that Hazley, my toddler, will grow into from Ellie's stuff. Some of it passed down from other girls as well. Okay, so all the girls' dresses, my oldest, and right under daughter's extra swap out clothes are in here. Then the church clothes for both my 5 and 9-year-old. And then all of their outfits are categorized with one outfit in it for the week. That way we're not stressing and trying to find, and each one of these ones are for my 2-year-old. All right, well, I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments how you did enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave your favorite fall emoji in the comments. We'll see you in our next one. Bye for now.